nice snug fit. I screwed in the bulb, which locked the socket into the lens. I then mounted the lens back onto the camera, pulled the cord through, locked on the lens, and as you can see, it made a nice tight fit. Next, I tried closing the film door. The cord was not allowing it to shut. With the cord in the way, I had to pull out the Dremel tool for a second time, this time with a cutoff wheel. I began to cut 2 small notches in the center of the film door, making a flap for the cord to sit in nicely. Make sure during this process you're as neat as possible. Any mistakes will show in the final product. After these notches were cut, I then took pliers, bending the flap that I had created back. Once bending it back and tucking it in, it allowed the camera cord to fit nicely with the door shutting completely. Much better. Now that the cord was in, the door was shut, it's time to mount it onto the tripod. And there we go. Once plugged in, switch turned on, it looks pretty cool. I really like how this light turned out. It's great for any photographer or light enthusiast that wants a light for their desk or nightstand. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments you have in the comment box below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.